In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blur gradients in Webflow. This feature can be a fantastic way to enhance the visual appeal of your design by adding depth and a touch of sophistication to your website elements. For this demonstration, we'll focus on applying a gradient with a blur effect to a container element. So let's get started. First, we need to decide which container we'll be working with. Go ahead and select the container you want to apply the effect to. Once you've selected it, you'll notice a variety of options on the right side of your screen. This is your Style panel, which allows you to customize and style your selected element in numerous ways. Scroll down within the Style panel until you reach the section labeled Backgrounds. You'll see several available options here, but the one we're interested in is adding an image or gradient. Look for a plus sign next to Image and Gradient and click on it to bring up more options. You'll now have the opportunity to choose between different types of backgrounds. For our purpose, select Gradient. With that done, it's time to pick your gradient colors. You can choose any combination you prefer, so feel free to get creative and experiment with various tones that best suit your design. After you've added your gradient colors, you should see that your container now has a beautiful gradient overlay. This alone can significantly change the look and feel of your container. But we're going to take it a step further by adding a blur effect. Next, scroll down a little further in the Style panel until you find the Effects section. This is where you can add various visual effects to enhance your element. Here you'll notice another plus icon, this time under Filters. Click on that plus icon, and a list of filter options will appear for you to explore. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Blur. Click on it to apply the blur effect to your gradient. This is a fantastic tool for creating softer edges and a dreamy or out-of-focus look to your container. By utilizing the slider, you can adjust the blur radius to achieve the effect you desire. You can keep it subtle with just a touch of blur, or go for a more pronounced look with higher blur intensity. It's entirely up to you and how you want your final product to look. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a blur gradient to your container in Webflow. This small yet powerful technique can dramatically improve the visual aesthetics of your project, and it's incredibly satisfying to see the transformation happen right before your eyes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.